Welcome once again to my channel. Sar Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for always being with me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your own kid shower gel by promixing it. So guys, let's go and watch the video to the end. Remember to like my video, share, and also subscribe as well. Thank you. Let's go and let me show you how to do it by yourself. It's simple to do it and you can do it. Bring your testimony. This is what we want. Okay guys, let's go and watch the video to the end. Let me show you how to make this glowing and also nourishing shower gel for your case and tin. This case and tin body wash that we are going to make will glow your child's skin, will give that child flawless skin tone. So guys, you can do it, but I'm using baby glow. You can use any shower gel of your choice, any baby shower gel out there of your choice. Please, you can use any shower gel of your choice. You can even come and buy my own one, okay guys? Yes. And I'll add in my Labijanis treatment oil. Yes, this is what we are going to add to the shower gel. I'll also add in my sulfur powder for rashes, eczema. So I'll add in my sulfur powder. So right now I'm going to scoop all the baby glow shower gel. I'll scoop all into the bowl. Guys, if you have watched the video to this part, please try your best to like my video and also comment. Encourage me. Give me an encouraging words. Yes, guys, for me to do more videos. Thank you. God bless you. I've scooped all the shower gel into the bowl. After scooping all the shower gel into the bowl, please try your best and stir it a little bit. Okay, guys. This is our scoop shower gel. My first ingredient that I'm going to add to it is my sulfur powder. Sulfur powder is very good. Yet it clears rashes, skin problems, eczema. But I'll add in a little of it. Little. Half teaspoon. Half teaspoon. Guys, please take note. Half teaspoon. Follow the recipe. I'm also going to add in 2 teaspoons of my Labijanis treatment oil. 2 teaspoons of my Labijanis treatment oil. 2 teaspoons of my Labijanis treatment oil. It will treat the skin, it will glow the skin and give that skin flawless skin tone. Yes, guys, trust me and do it and come back and give me a testimony. Then you stir it up. Please don't forget to stir it very well because of the sulfur powder. Stir it very well. Let the sulfur, the Labijanis, and the shower gel be incorporated before we can add in the rest of the ingredients. Guys, if you are interested in my videos, please share, like, and also subscribe. Be part of our family. In this family, we talk about a lot of things. Yes, skincare, body things, beauty. We talk a lot more. So you can also subscribe and be part of our family. I will show you the body wash that we use. Yes, we use Baby Glow moisturizing nourishing body wash. This is what we use. Baby Glow case and tins moisturizing nourishing baby wash, please. Then I added in 1 teaspoon of my turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of my turmeric powder. And I added in 1 teaspoon of my destin powder. 1 teaspoon of my destin powder. Yes, for rashes, for eczema, so for skin problems. I added in 1 teaspoon of my turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of my destin powder. Then I mix it very well. After mixing it very, very well, then I'll add to the bottle again. Yes, I'll scoop all into the bottle again. This is the simplest way to do it, and you can do it. Okay, try your best to do it. You know, a little particles inside, so try your best to stir it very, very well. Try your best and stir it very, very well. This is the bottle I will put it in. Guys, please, I will put it still in that bottle that we scoop all the shower gel. I'll scoop it back to the bottle again. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and comment. See you in my next video. I love you and God bless you.